So hello, nandito na naman tayo sa ating panibagong problem or at another topic about TMSTE, CE past board exam. So, ito sa susunod, magiging S na to, you will pass the board exam. Charot. So, ganito yung gawin natin is solve natin yung problem dito. So, problem number 5 na tayo, no? Ramp has an arrival rate of 200 cars an hour and the ramp meter only permits 250 cars per day, per hour pala, I should say. While the ramp can store 40 cars before spilling over, how many cars do we expect on the ramp? So, pag mga ganitong problem, pag hindi mo talaga alam, wala ka talagang alam, mahihirapan ka, no? So, unahin mo muna, saan ba tong area pumapasok itong itong problem na ito? So, pag may mga cars, doon talaga pumapasok sa transportation engineering So, sa transportation engineering 'pag hindi mo naaral din 'to medyo madali lang naman yung pero 'pag 'di mo naaral or hindi mo na-encounter mahihirapan ka din talaga. So, solve natin ito. Yung lambda is the rate at which the cars arrive at the ramp. And then yung yun naman is the rate at which the ramps allows the car to proceed. Okay? So, yung N naman natin is the maximum number of cars can a ramp store before spilling. So, yung P is the traffic intensity or tinasabi din natin tong the Poisson's ratio or the Poisson's ratio, which the Poisson's ratio is ganito siya, the rate of the arrival and then the rate of the uh, allowable of the cars, So, tapos yung E naman is the the number of cars expected on the ramp. Ito yung expectancy natin eh. Expected cars na makakadaan doon sa ramp na yon. So, E is the expected number of cars on a ramp. Okay? So, ganito lang yung formula natin. Medyo madali lang naman siya. Kaya lang, yung mga letra is ah, parang ulit-ulit, no? Parang ulit-ulit. So, ito, pwede nyo tong gawing isang variable kasi meron din siya ditong 1 minus p. Tapos yung power niya n plus 1. Yung n plus 1 naman is gawin mo tong another variable. Para gawing isang letra lang tapos para mag-indicate lang na ganun. Para ito, umiksi lang siya, no? Para maging maiksi lang siya yung natin, yung magiging formula. Kasi medyo mahaba to. Yun yung gawin yung technique para dito. Kasi once na hindi mo 'to makabisado, yun mahihirapan ka. Puwede mo nung gawan ng another formula which is yung sa'yo na madali mong matandaan. So ito n+1, ito may n+1 dito, may n+1 dito din, 'di ba? Yung 1 minus p may 1 minus p din dito. So medyo para maging maikli lang yung pagme-memorize mo ng formula. Okay? So yung P natin or the Poisson's ratio or the traffic intensity is 200/250. That is 0.8. And then yung N natin is the number of cars on the ramp can store, di ba? So ito yung ating magiging formula or ito na yung ating magiging value. So type niyo yan sa mga calculator nyo, di ba? Sa calculator nyo, 0.8 times 41. So ito na siya, na-type ko na yan kanina. So the answer natin is 3.9956 or approximately 4 cars, 4 cars yung makakadaan doon sa yung ini-expect natin na number of cars on the ramp. So this is how we solve this kind of problem. This is a traffic engineering. So I hope na maaral nyo din yung traffic engineering. Okay? That's all for today. I hope na may nakuha kayo dito sa ating problem na ito.